So let's talk real quick about some of the next-gen features of GPU Audio's tech stack. So first of all, it's actually the world's first novel technology enabling real-time audio DSP on GPUs. And as such, we've enabled performance features like real-time high-performance DSP, 1 millisecond round-trip latency regardless of channel count or effect instance count, powerful parallel processing without added latency, instant results, everything from processing itself to actual final rendering and exporting, networkability and scalability based on GPUs, and audio processing over Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and/or 5G connections. GPU Audio effectively bridges the gap between pro audio and next-gen tech standards. Features of our solution open up a world of high-performance audio and production to emerging technologies, not just music. So, from AI and machine learning to Web3 experiences, interoperable collaborative platforms like Omniverse, spatial audio computing and simulation, next-gen DAW and music production software, we designed GPU Audio to be a conductive layer that will help you build the creative masterpiece of your dreams.